Hello, dear students. We have seen in our earlier classes about logic gates, truth tables, how they function, different gates, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, and NOR gates, etc., and universal gates also. Today we will see about exclusive OR operation gate, that is XOR gate, and exclusive NOT OR gate, that is XNOR gate. The exclusive OR gate, it is called EX-OR gate. It is usually represented by XOR gate. The exclusive OR operation is widely used in digital circuits. This can be performed using the basic gates and OR and NOT gate and universal gates like NAND gate or NOR gate. The symbol of this is as shown in the figure 4.14. The logic symbol for XOR gate is shown in the figure. It is to be noted that the symbol is similar to that of OR gate except for the additional curved line at the input side. Its logic equation is written as y equals to a ex dash OR b equal to a XOR b is equal to a circled plus b. The sign circled plus stands for XOR addition. The truth table for XOR and OR gates is given in the table 4.19. Input side A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Our OR output is 0, whereas XOR output is 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. OR operation is 1, XOR operation output is 1. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, XOR operation is 1 and OR operation is also 1 output. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, XOR operation is 0 and it is 1 for the OR operation. This logic operation is in the circuit as shown in the figure. The OR gate truth table also gives the OR gate truth table is given in the table 4.19 so that the OR gate truth table can be compared with the XOR gate truth table. By comparing, we find that the first 3 rows are same in both, only the 4th row is different. This circuit finds application where 2 digital signals are to be compared. From the truth table we observe that when both the inputs are same, that is either zeros or ones, the output is 0. Whereas the inputs are different, one of them is 0 and the other is 1. The output is 1. In other words, the output is high, that is 1, if any one of the inputs are high but not both at a time. This is the only exclusive property feature. So output is very high when any one of the inputs are high but not the both at a time. This is the special feature of the exclusive OR gate. So the exclusive OR gate recognizes only words that have an odd number of ones. Example: obtain the truth table for the circuit shown in the figure 4.15. So as usually in the input side we give zeros in the truth table values and then 0 and 1, and then 1 and 0, at last 1 and 1. So in the output, y prime is equal to a plus b and y is equal to y prime dot a. So by substituting from the truth table values, we will get the corresponding values of the input in the output. When 0 ORed with 0, it is 0. 1 ORed with 1, it is 1. 1 ORed with 0, it is 1. 0 ended with 0 is equal to 0. 0 ended with 1 is 0. 1 ended with 1, 1. Thus, when a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, then a ORed with b is equal to 0. That is y prime is equal to 0. When y prime, that is 0, is ended with a is equal to 0, the result is 0. Again, when a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, then a ORed with b is 1. That is y prime is equal to 1. Now y prime is equal to 1, ended with a is equal to 1, the result is 1. The XOR gate can be used as binary to gray code converter. It can be used as a parity checker. It is also used in half adder circuit. So these are the advantages, or rather to say where the XOR gate can be used. So I repeat once again, XOR gate can be used as binary to gray code converter. It can be used as parity checker. It is also used in half adder circuit. Next comes XOR gate, XNOR, XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate. When the output of XOR gate is fed to the input of a NOT gate, then XNOR gate is obtained. In this case, the output is high when the inputs are same, equal. The logic symbol and the truth table are shown in figure. Input side and output side. Exclusive OR gate plus NOT gate results XNOR gate. So when a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, y prime is equal to 0, and then y is equal to y prime complement, that will be 1. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, y prime is equal to 1, 1 complement is equal to 0. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, y prime is equal to 1, and y is equal to y prime complement, that is 1 complement is equal to 0. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, y prime is equal to 0, 0 complement is equal to 1. Because of the inversion on the output side, the truth table of an XOR gate is the complement of XOR gate truth table. The output is high when the inputs are the same. For this reason, the two input XOR gate is ideally suited for bit comparison, recognizing when two input bits are identical. The XOR gates perform the complementary function of XOR gates instead of recognizing odd parity words. XNOR gates recognize even parity words. So XNOR gates recognize even parity words. They will not recognize the odd parity words. And these gates perform the complementary function of XOR gates. So this completes the basic logic gates and their operation and their truth tables. So we will go to the Boolean algebra in the next class.